Hello everyone. Once again welcome in Self Transformation series of 19th of July 2020. Yes, my dear friends, the best part of this series is that by doing a little of action in our thought process, actually we are giving the fruit or we are bearing the fruit of success forever and ever. And my dear friends, to perform every act with full faith is the best way to get its best result. Where there is faith, we are able to do everything easily and it shows the best result. Since you have the faith in this series, that's why you are connected. That's why you're listening. That's why the transformation has been started in you, which is to the grassroots level, but very soon you will see the change and you will be admired by this change by others. So prepare yourself for that and give a pat at your back that yes, I am connected to the series wherein I am changing myself rather than changing the entire world. So today, the topic which we have selected is be a multi-millionaire. Yes, my dear friends, be a multi-millionaire. So first of all, we will be thinking that which topic is there wherein we are becoming a multi-millionaire or what we are actually accumulating to become a multi-millionaire. So here is your answer. Be a multi-millionaire who accumulate account of charity by knowing the importance of every second and every thought. Yes, you have to become a multi-millionaire of each and every thought you take, every second you take. If you focus on these two things, that every second, every thought which I am taking, I am fully aware, you will be multi-millionaire. Yes, you will be multi-millionaire because the process which is going on is on high alert process. And you know, my dear friends, when we are alert and we are focused, we do the things not casually, we do it perfectly. We try to get out of the best out of it. The same is today, that be a multi-millionaire. So you are here counting each and every second, every thought with full alert thing. Now here comes the question that why this thing is required. How is it possible? If you see your life, the life is full of frustration. Every thought which we are taking in today's time is 80 to 90% filled with negativity. So how to elevate ourselves, how to elevate ourselves and others, how to bring a hope in a hopeless person, how to actually do this service to others. It's only done by power of thoughts. Yes, by that faith that yes, I can change myself. Since the charitable soul which is listening to this series, which is connected to this series, have the power to make anything which is impossible as possible. So here we have to accumulate our each and every thought which has been taken every second, monitor it, and then we can do it. Friends, if you can see that in mountains and desert in today's time, due to special equipments, you can very well see the flowers and trees are growing. It's because of the thought process of one person that I will actually grow the tree of flowers in this area. And that thought is so strongly being taken with full faith, without any intoxication of anything. And that's why it flourished today. So why not we take this elevated thought? Why not we take this thought that every second I will monitor my every thought? And if it is going towards a negative direction, I will mold and reframe it in the positive way. Whatever is the behavior of the people, however is my old sanskar, however is my old personality, however I have a personality of thinking wasteful or taking wasteful thought, however I am being involved in so many frustrations of myself or others, or I am involved in so many you can say words or action of others, even of the nature also, why this is happening, why COVID and all those things. When we know that we can't do anything, why we are wasting our energy? So my dear friends, first of all, we have to be very, very alert. to become a multimillionaire? You know, my dear friends, if we talk about money and we talk about to become a multimillionaire in money concept, you work alertly, na? Because then only you get the result. If you will not work alertly, how will you get the money the way you want to be earned? Same way in everything, whatever we are doing. Suppose we are planning to become a multi-millionaire in positive thoughts. So why not in that case? So my dear friends, in today's journey of our series wherein we are self-transforming ourselves, we are becoming a multi-millionaire just with this thought that I have to keep this 24 hours surveillance camera on early morning when I got up. That camera is on in my mind. Who's going to see everything in and around me, even within me, my own behavior, my nature, my role and responsibility. Even it will showcase all the roles and responsibility of others. It will predict the behavior of the people well in advance. It will show you the graph of the people's behavior where they have responded years and years back. Past, present and future will be shown to you in this surveillance camera. And once you are aware of everything, you won't be wasting your time. You won't be letting go that time. And you won't be indulged in those thoughts. And definitely your every second and every thought will become powerful. And once, my dear friends, this process starts, here comes the answer. Once this process starts, you will become multi-millionaire of everything you think, of each and every seed of thought you take. It will gradually flourish into the achievement which you want. So my dear friends, early morning get up. Take this beautiful thought in your mind for today. I am a multimillionaire. I'm not going to waste my each and every second and each and every thought. I will be taking positivity in and around me. I will be spreading positivity to others. I'm going to just transform myself rather than wasting my time in transforming others. So these type of thoughts will definitely lead you to become a multimillionaire, and the faith is there that yes, I can do it. Don't think, friends, oh, this is repeated. It has been, I'm listening from so many days. Everyone is saying it's not possible. No, it's absolutely wrong. See, my dear friends, when you started cycling, when you started the cycling for the first time, the same process is there. You used to sit, you used to start, and you used to fall down. But gradually, you today start cycling in a very better way. Same way is our becoming a multimillionaire. Once you take this as a pledge, you take this as a vow that I'm going to become a multimillionaire, and take it aside, a deep thought, definitely it will make a drastic change in your behavior. So my dear friends, be alert, always be alert and think about it in a different way, and just move ahead and see this world in a different way. So see you tomorrow with a new concept, with a new series in self-transformation. Till then, just be a multimillionaire. Thank you.